In this video, I want to show you how to change this broken door closer.
Oh, here this is the cover I need to remove. There are some arrow here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually there are 6 notches to secure this cover onto this body. Spudger to actually pry open, probably will open up. Okay, put it at the side, place at the side. Right, it will comes off. Right, so there are actually different notches secure onto this bracket. Right, okay, so this is how it looks like. The cap faced the front. Right, put it here. So I have 1, 2, 3 nuts, 10 mm. Let's remove it. But before I remove the nut, I got to make sure the door is aligned. One way to make sure this door is aligned later properly is that I use a ruler and measure how deep is the depth to the front here. Okay. Okay, so this is the cover which I removed earlier. The part number is as shown. Hope you can see it. Right? And then I have a 10 mm socket. We start the removal. Right, so remove this cap to the side, and then yeah, this is how the bracket look like. So I have removed the 3 nut up here. You have seen. And now's the time to lift it up. Okay, then lift it.
All right. Now here's the replacement. The part which I got from Hitachi factory here. It's good that to buy electronic devices where you have a factory nearby your house, so that I just drive there and then I'll be able to buy their parts. Cost me roughly 9 ringgit. So let's do it. So this is the bracket I need to remove. A Phillips screwdriver. How? Oh, just pull it out. The new one. Fit in nicely. And then secure the position correctly. Next task is going to make sure this hole will goes into here.
I'm going to hold it this way so that I know where's the hole. And then I will close them. The position nicely. Right? So this is how I close the door. I can feel it. Finger where's the hole, and then place the position, and then secure the bracket and to make sure it's aligned on the straight line. Yeah, it's all right. All right, do remember to switch it on. Appreciate a thumbs up. Do press on the bell button so that you get notified of a new video. That's all from me. Let's test out.